morning, students. My name is Kriti Mishra, and we are studying social media analytics and data analytics. And we have already seen the first lecture. Now, today we'll see our next lecture in social media analytics, Unit 1. It's a subject code, it's BCM 061. Let's start with our today's topic, that is social media analytics. Let's start with a little bit of revision that social media analytics. What is social media analytics is how in today's scenario, there are lots of data, billions and trillions of data. So how we are going to manage these data and how we are going to utilize these data. So we'll see these things in this subject. So social media analytics is the process of gathering, analyzing and interpreting data from social media platform to make informed business decisions. It involves using tools, techniques to measure social media performance, track audience behavior and assess the impact of marketing campaigns. Needs for social media analytics. Performance tracking. What are the needs? That is performance tracking. Through the social media data, we can track the performance, that how many people are going to like or share our data or our product, or how many people click on the particular advertisement. So by the click, we conclude that the person is interested in the particular product. So next is understanding audience behavior. Understanding audience behavior, and then competitor analysis. So even by using the social media data, we can analyze who are our competitors, and we can analyze our product according to our competitors' product. So how we can make our product better, or how and in which area we are going to add advertisements, etc. Next is content optimization, then brand reputation and management, then trend identification. Trend identification means that as you must have seen or know about the trends. Trends means many of the people, big that particular quantity of particular things they are going to like. That is trend identification. According to their likes, their clicks, we can identify the trends. And then customer support and relationship management. Customer support and relationship management also need the social media analytics. And influence marketing and assessment. Then ad performance and analysis. Next is social media analytics is essential for business and brands to optimize their social media strategy, engage with their audience effectively, and derive business growth by leveraging data-driven insights. Organizations can enhance their online presence, improve customer relationship, and stay competitive in the digital landscape. Next. Now, social media analytics in a small and large organization. So, what do you mean by small organization and large organization? A small organization where there are limited resources, with limited amount, and with limited things, we are going to do something which doesn't needs more people to engage in a particular thing. So that is a small organization. And large organization in which we are going to produce a large amount of particular thing or anything. So that is large organization. So social media analytics plays a crucial role in both a small and large organization, but the way it is utilized, the tools used and the strategic focus may vary based on the organization size and the resources. So in social media analytics, in small organizations and characteristic, there is limited budget and resources. In the small organization, there is limited budget and resources. So we have to do the analytics within that particular budget and resource. And next, the small marketing team with this limited budget, they only have small marketing teams. Then sometime handled by a single person. Sometime these organizations, small organization, their team, or sometimes they have team of few people, or they handle things using only single resource person. Then focus on organic reach. Focus on organic reach and engagement rather than large scale paid campaign. They, for example, you must have seen in your society, the like a play school person come to your society and organize some programs, art competition and something for the children's, and they promote their schools, they give prizes to students, and likewise they promote that is example of small scale campaign, how they promote their schools in that particular area. Then quick decision making and flexibility and strategy. Why quick? Because in this small organization there are few people who take decision. In the large organization there is a certain steps, certain panels. So the person go through different panel and take feedback of different departments and then conclude their decision. In the small organization there is a quick decision making and flexibility and in strategies. Next, how a small business uses social media analytics. So performance tracking, on the basis of performance tracking, for example, we are taking example of a play school. So on the basis of admissions, on the basis of their performance, they find out basic performance tracking, in which monitoring likes, shares, comments and followers growth using the free tools. For example, Meta free tools, Meta Insights, Twitter Analytics. And then audience engagement analytics. How much audience engaged watching your videos or your reel of particular schools. So on the basis of engagement, audience engagement analysis, we also analyze their performance. Understanding customer preferences and interaction pattern. Understanding customer preferences and interaction pattern. And then cost effective marketing. Using social media analytics to determine which type of content delivery delivers the best engagement with minimal spending. Means using social media analytics to determine which type of content delivers the best engagement within the minimal spending. Next is local targeting. Small organization generally target local areas. So local targeting, identifying a specific audience segments for better reach. And then competitor monitoring. Competitor, who are their competitors? Competitor observing competitor activity to stay competitive. They also observe other competitors' activity so that they can match or increase their quality of work. Next, what are the tools used for this small organization analytics? That is free or low cost tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Insights, Twitter Analytics and etc. So basic automation for scheduling post and tracking engagement. Next, what are the challenges? What are the challenges in a small organization? So the main challenge is limited access to advanced data analytics. There is limited access for the advanced data analytics. Next, what do you mean by limited access? Because few services in which in like Google Analytics and Facebook Insights, these are those few services are paid. So in the small organization, if there is a limitation of cost, so they will not get all the resources or all the analytics insights from the Google or Facebook, etc. So that is why it is limited access to advanced data analytics. Next, difficulty in scaling. Difficulty in scaling campaigns due to budget constraint. Difficulty, so here the main constraint is budget. For campaigning also you need money. So there is difficulty in scaling campaign due to budget constraint. Next, dependency on organic reach. Organic reach means number of people who see post. ठीक है, तो there is dependency on organic reach which can be slow growing. Next, by using different Google optimization techniques in the large organization, we'll see this topic, how Google optimizes the searches in the next video. So in this small organization, there is slow growing because we do not use many of the Google optimization techniques for this small organization. Next. So the key difference, what are the key difference between a small organization and large organization? So without any doubt, you can say in the small organization, large organization, there is budget. The constraint is in a small organization is budget. Budget is limited. In large organization, the budget is high. So if the budget is high, you can take more resources, more person, more analytics techniques, paid Google Analytics or Facebook Insights, so analytics, so that the person can take decisions easily. Next, team size. In the small organization, the size is small, 1 to 5 people. In the large organization, there are many people, large specialized team for large organization. Next, tool used. The tools which are used in small organization are free or low cost tools. And next, in large organization, advanced and enterprise tools are used for social media analytics. And next, data analytics, basic insights, AI driven and predictive analysis. Next, campaign scale. The campaign scale in a small organization is local, targeted, and in large organization, national and global targeting. Next, focus is focus. Focus is engagement and brand awareness, and this ROI driven marketing strategies. So this is the key difference between a small organization and large organization. Now, the application of social media analytics. So after that, what are the applications of social media analytics? That is marketing and brand management. So you can say in marketing and brand management, there is customer insights, brand reputation management, campaign performance analysis, and competitive analysis. And then second is customer service and engagement, that is real-time responses, chatbot and AI assistance, and sentiment analysis. Some more applications are product development and innovation. Product development and innovation, in which there is a feedback collection and trend identification and co-creations. And next is crisis management. Crisis management and risk mitigation. Social media data also plays a very important role in crisis management. If there is any particular issue using the social media analytics, like you must have seen many of the actor and actresses use different teams for their promotion and etc. If there is any kind of troll or anything happen with their particular any movie or any advertisement, then they use their teams to improve their reputation on social media. So that is called crisis management and risk mitigation. That is early warning system, damage control strategy. If you have seen many of the advertisements of things which is done by many of the big actors, then people also troll them for advertising the particular thing that I will not take the name, but that particular thing that is not good for people's health, then people start trolling them. Then they also use their crisis management team and risk mitigation for damage control and strategy. Then fake news and misinformation monitoring. Then political and social researches, in which public opinion analysis, influence mapping, and social movement and monitoring occur. Next, sales and lead generation, human resource management, and health and public health monitoring, and law enforcement and security, and entertainment and media. For all these applications, we use social media analytics to improve their performance and marketing strategies. Next, what are the different types of social network? So, according to their uses, according to their use, according to their purpose, according to user interactions, we define the types of social media, in which the first is social networking inside, that is general purpose networking, that is social networking inside. This is simply the platform like you use to connect, for example, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, that is a platform to connect people for social interaction, for networking, and for communication. So these type of, for the general purpose network that is used, that is social networking site. For example, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. Okay. Then use cases, that is personal networking, professional networking, business marketing, and news sharing. Now, the next type is second, that is media sharing network. In the media sharing network, that sharing multimedia content such as photo, video, music, etc. So, in the social media network, they focus on the sharing multimedia content such as photo, video, and music. Sorry. For example, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, and Snapchat. So what are the use cases? Is entertainment, content, marketing, brand promotion, influence, and marketing. Next is professional network. So how professional network is used for the social person, for the social media users to connect to each other is the content professionals, that how people connect, which people, the professionals, how they connect with each other for career growth, for business opportunities, and for knowledge sharing. Sorry. For example, LinkedIn, Zing, Angel, List, etc. Use case, job searching, recruitment, industry networking, and B2B marketing. Now, the fourth is a discussion forum and community network. So, purpose is facilitate conversation, that facilitate conversation around specific topics, quality Q&A discussions, and knowledge exchange. For example, Reddit, Quora, Stack Overflow, etc. For the discussion, like Quora, you have seen, if you open the Quora, different people that are who are registered on Quora, they share their opinion on the particular topic or their feedback on particular topic. So these are the discussion forum and community. This is also a type of social media analytics. And next is the blogging and publishing networks. Purpose: enable user to create and share the long form content such as blogs and article. For example, Medium, Tumblr, WordPress, and Substack. Used through leadership, storytelling, personal blogging, business content, and marketing. Next is internet-based networking, in which connect people with similar hobby, passion, and interest. For example, good reader, books, etc. Next is anonymous. And private social network, which allow user to share through their thoughts and experiences anonymously. So anonymous people share their thoughts and experiences. Next is dating and relationship network, where the individual connect to for different relationship, friendships, or casual dating, etc. For example, Tinder, etc. Next is a social commerce network, that blends social media and e-commerce to facilitate shopping experiences. For example, Facebook Marketplace, Instagram Shopping, Pinterest Shopping, etc. Next is enterprise social network, that is work collaboration, that improve workplace communication and team collaboration. So these are the different examples, and use cases are internal communication, project management, and corporate networking. So these are the different types of social media networks we use to study and analyze social media analytics. So this is the sociogram and sociometric study in social media analytics, which we'll see in our next video. Thank you.